Hello friends, welcome to Gadget Kada. Today I'm here to show you the latest update that was rolled out to the Mi TV, that is the Android Pie update. So in this video, let's check out what all we have with this update. So without further wasting more time, let's get started. So okay guys, to get started, this is my Mi TV 4a Pro and it is currently running on the Android version. As you can see here, it's running on Android Oreo 8.1. So previously when it was initially rolled out, it was running on Oreo 8.1. Now recently they released an update. When I checked for the update, yes, there was an Android system upgrade available for a size of 824.5 MB, and there itself it's mentioned that it will be updated to Android 9 and you will get new features like Netflix and Amazon Prime. So I just updated my TV and let's check out what all we have with this update. So the installation is completed and it just took around like 10-15 minutes, and after the upgrade also, like with Android 9 Pie, the interface is like buttery smooth. So we can just go to the device preferences, go to about phone and see the system version. As you can see here, it is currently running on Android version 9. So even with the MI TV, like since like most of our phones are running on Android Pie, even for the smart TVs they have rolled out the Android Pie, and the much awaited feature, that is Amazon Prime. So Amazon Prime is now available for your Mi TVs, so you can enjoy all your content. So if you already have an Amazon Prime account, you can just log in using the same account and you can enjoy all the contents in like HD. So it will support contents up till like 1080p. So it already have a Wideline L1 certification which allows you to watch any videos, any movies with like 1080p. So I will just try to play a content and see like if it supports 1080p. So I'm just going to pause it and show it to you. Yes, it shows like HD 1080p, so you can stream any content in 1080p and it looks really good in this Mi TV. So the current version which I'm using is Mi TV 4a Pro, the 43-inch variant. So along with Amazon Prime, they have also included the Netflix. The native Netflix app is also available for the Mi TV 4a Pro, and you can enjoy, if you have a premium account, you can enjoy all the contents within Netflix. So another great feature I noticed after the update is casting your phone. So you can cast your phone, that is like that is mainly your Google Photos. So just go to this option, just go to your Google Photos in your phone and just click on the cast icon and you will see your TV listed out there. That's it. Just navigate to your phone and keep scrolling to your photos or videos and it will just show you on the TV. So it's like quite lag free. If your internet is quite stable and it has got a good bandwidth, there won't be any lag. So I've also tried watching movies using the same method. So if you have any movies within your gallery, you can just click on it and you will be able to cast it on your TV. Okay guys, that's it for the video. This was a quick overview of the Android Pie update. I will use it for a few days and will give you a detailed review. So that's it guys, that's it for the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do share it to your friends and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos. So until next time we meet, bye bye.